Let's go over how to install your WOOX Bravado stock on your Henry lever action rifle. This will be for the pistol grip variation. Before we work on any firearm, the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that firearm is clear of any ammo and there's no ammo in the immediate area. So I'm going to rack the action a few times. I'm going to inspect it visually and physically to ensure there is no ammo in the gun. Once that's confirmed, then I will go ahead and drop the hammer, and now I'm safe to work on this. Now, installing the WOOX Bravado stock is an incredibly simple process. It's just one flathead screw right here on the stock. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our flathead screwdriver and we're going to remove it from the factory stock tang. We'll just go ahead and pull that out. Once the screw is out of the tang, now you can go ahead and remove the factory stock from your rifle, and then take your WOOX Bravado and you would basically repeat it in reverse. So just slide that back over the tang, take the screw you just now removed, drop it back through the tang into the stock, and tighten that back down with your flathead screwdriver. Just get it to where it's sitting snug, and if you prefer, you can put a drop of Loctite on it. That will not hurt it at all. Once the tang screw is reinstalled, now your WOOX Bravado butt stock is installed.